Welcome back to another video. This will be a CATIA V5 tips and tricks. So I received this comment, how we can only display the selected components so that we can better understand where the parts are assembled. So this was a comment for my video regarding how to search and automatically select elements, which is this one. So I've opened the same model over here. As we can see, this was created by Wolfgang on GrabCAD, so you can find the mechanical horse model over here. And as we can see over here, since I no longer have those planes, I added axes within the CATIA settings. That means that I will have the axes of each component. So for example, if I want to hide all of those, I can just press Ctrl F to go within a search. For the type, I can type in over here, so not for the name, over here for the type, axis, and this should be axis system, so axis system. Afterwards, we're gonna select over here for search. This will do a search within everywhere, so we can also go into specific subassembly, but I will leave it like this. Afterwards, we can click on select. That will bring us a selection, and we see that there are 92 elements selected, and afterwards we can just hide them. Now, if you want to hide only the selected elements, for example, over here I will select this component. We see that this will be a manifold solid body over here, and maybe I want also the other green components. So those are the 5 elements selected. If I only want to have them displayed, I can go over here and I can go with hide show. As we can see, the hotkey will be, I added this because this is not default. I added it to be Alt plus V. Let me redo that selection. So it will be that component, that. And now if I will press Alt V, those will be hidden. But keep in mind that in CATIA, when you hide some components, they will be sent to another desktop. So we have over here the possibility to swap the visible space. If I'm going to click over here, we're only going to see the elements that we hidden. So in this case, we have all those axis references and also those green components. Now, the best solution to see if some of the objects are, let's say, interlocking is to use the clash over here at the bottom. So we can do an interference contact plus clash between all components. I will click apply and we're going to receive a list. I also have a separate video regarding regarding clash. And over here we're going to have the type, either contact or clash. And for example, all that will have contact will have 0 offset, but where we're going to have a clash, we're going to see that the models will be overlapping. So over here we have the small diameter and the larger one, and we're going to have a clash, so a 5mm clash between those. It will be the same for all of those. Let me search for other clash elements. So mainly there are clashes between those blue cylinders within this part. As we can see over here, one of those will clash against that that part. So the best solution is to select the component that you want to visualize, and with the selection done, you can just right click. As you can see, that selection won't be lost, and you can just hide and show them over here. So holding down Control, you can select those elements that you want to visualize separately, hide and show, and afterwards you can swap the space to those. But keep in mind that if you're going to hide and show multiple, they will all appear over here. So afterwards you're just going to have to send them back. So again, I added the Alt plus V hotkey, and they will all be restored within the initial window. So I hope that this video answered your comment. I will position a similar video to the left. I will add the CATIA V5 tips and tricks playlist at the top. I will also add subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.